What's going on, YouTube? It's me, Austin, here for Just a Real Film Productions. Now, I figured I'll provide an update to the last video that is, at this time, is currently being processed, which I'm going to show you right now. About 34 minutes left is on the clock. Anyway, so I have two options on what I could do as far as getting a new camcorder. Number one, I could set it in for repair, or two, what I could do is I could buy this other camera, which I'm going to show you. From my understanding, this is the newest model that they have out. It's the Sony AX43A 4K camcorder. I've actually had pretty good luck with Sony opposed a Panasonic. I never really owned a Panasonic camcorder, so I really don't think it would be a good idea for me to buy that camcorder anyways. But as you can see, this obviously has a bigger... sorry, I must have had the camera down. Supposedly this one has a bigger battery in it, which is supposed to help improve overall battery, runtime. So, like I said, I have not decided what I'm going to do yet. Either I'm going to buy the Sony AX43A when I get my next check, or I'm going to have to set it in for repair so that they can figure out what the issue is, and then maybe they can either give me a refurbished unit, or they can go in and fix it up themselves. Because I will say that this camcorder has, in fact, went through quite a bit of abuse, as you can see. I mean, some of the panels, like the freaking, I don't know how well you can see that. The panel on the microphone is starting to come off. Like I said, this thing has seen its better days, but anyway, so like I said, I will let you all know what the final decision is going to be, but I'm sure that there is a way on how I can send it in for repair without having to spend new money on a camcorder. So, I thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions or concerns in regards to this camcorder, let me know in the comments.